All right, guys, this is the Computer Programming University. Bigates, buongiorno, buonanotte. I just want to give you guys an update on the code review. I actually completed it. Nawras was, I think, the only person to actually complete the assignment from the system checker project we're working on. And as you can see right here, I just tested his code and he did a pretty good job. I ran into some indentation errors, but that might have been the way I copied the code. Some of the formatting might have been lost, which might be why I got indentation issues, but those are easy enough to fix. Just had to outdent when necessary and indent when necessary and things like that. I mean, typically what I'm doing is I'm in VIM and I'm just like XXX to delete extra spaces, and then I just hit the tab key to get a standard indentation where it should be. That was the main thing. But the other thing that I noticed is, if you look at the output, he's got, let me run this again. Let me run this. Really limited time, so I couldn't do a proper live stream with the screen capture. But I wanted to give you guys an update because I know it's been really crazy a few days, so I haven't really been posting, and I'm kind of behind with the project and everything. The code review is supposed to have been done a while ago, so I just wanted to... Gotta love YouTube. Crashed again, as usual. Rather than focus on the format, I just wanted to get it done, right? Give you guys an update. So I'm gonna run it again. So Python 3 system checker.py, and I'm gonna do memory, which I believe was the focus. He chose to do the memory. Correct me if I'm wrong, nawras, but if you choose option 1 and then enter, you can see it gives you the results. So it says checking system RAM usage. It says your total RAM capacity is, and just to remind you guys, the whole project was to clean this up, because what I gave you guys, the code that I gave you guys, started you guys off with in the tutorial, it was kind of sloppy. It was just giving you the output, the raw output of the free command. So there's all this extraneous data, rather than being specific. What's your free memory? How much is in use? That kind of thing. So he did it, and that's good. He says total RAM capacity is, your system is using that amount, but you can already see the problems, right? It says your RAM capacity is, and then there's like B, and then you see the quotes. Really, you don't need to have the quotes in there. And then there's the new line character is showing up. See, it says /n. So that shouldn't be that way. It should basically be RAM capacity is, and then it should say 3.7 gigabytes. That's it. No B, no quotes, no /n. All right. And that was the main problem that I saw. Same thing here, B 2.3. See, the N is there, the B is there. Same thing here as well. So for those of you guys that didn't do your homework, maybe you can contribute and help out Nawras and explain why he's getting this kind of output. Now we can quickly take a look at the code to see perhaps why this is happening. If we go through the code, we can see that output is coming from, I believe here. You can see what he's doing. He's using the subprocess.check_output. So that's coming from a module that he chose to use. So this was his idea. He chose to use the subprocesses module. So he's importing the subprocess module, and then he's calling that with the dot notation. So he's doing a subprocess.check output. So all that's doing is that's basically allowing you to get the output from this command. Also, you have access to, why am I forgetting the word for this? Like exit code. So like basically if a command is successful or not. Like you see it says shell equals true. He's got all these different options, cut-d and all these different things. So this is basically the command. He's running the free command -h, then he's formatting it. He's grepping for M, so beginning with M. He is cutting it as well, using quotes and all that good stuff. But this is what he's using. This is the code that he's using to generate those messages. So something in here is generating that B that you guys see, and the and also the /n and all that kind of stuff. So you guys take a look at this and see if you can figure out what the issue is. Now here's some other stuff here, but not necessarily relevant to what I picked out. So I'm gonna do a more formal review tomorrow. We're gonna clean this up and get it nice and pretty. But I know a lot of you guys are across the globe, so you guys are gonna be considerably ahead of me time-wise. So I'd like you guys, as soon as you guys see this video, take a look at this and see if you can comment below and let me know what's wrong with this before I get into it tomorrow morning. I have a meeting tomorrow afternoon. It's going to be a busy morning, so I'm not sure. I might mid-afternoon or late afternoon I might get to it. But if you guys can take a look at this and see what your thoughts are and comment below, I'd appreciate it. Shout out to my CPU squad, Mega Noob. Where is Mega Noob? I don't know where Mega Noob is. Hopefully Mega Noob will come back to us sometime soon. MJ Shaheed, I haven't seen you in a while as well. Nawras and John, all you guys, comment below, let me know what you think. And until the next episode, this is the CPU Squad. This is the Computer Programming University, and until the next episode, remember, first step in learning is to smile. All right, buena notte, everybody across the globe. And sleep tight, those who are sleeping. And have a great morning, those of you who will wake up to this video. All right? All right. Good night, everyone.